1. Currently, you have an excellent opportunity to purchase a 1978 Ford Thunderbird for $4,500. This car, with 100,175 miles on it, features an automatic transmission and is presented in a stylish blue color, although the interior color is not specified. The seller describes this 1978 Ford Thunderbird, equipped with a 351 Windsor motor, as a car that runs excellently. Additionally, the air conditioning and heating work flawlessly. The car is quite clean for its model year. Recently, several significant updates have been made, such as a new fuel tank, fuel line, fuel pump, and transmission unit. New starter relays and a water pump have also been installed, along with rear drum brakes and brake lines. The headlights open smoothly. This Ford Thunderbird has very little rust, and despite the natural effects of weather conditions, the roof visor remains in decent condition. The price for this car is $4,500, providing an attractive opportunity to acquire a reliable and stylish vehicle with some minor improvements for daily use. 2. Currently, you have the opportunity to acquire a beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang for $28,000. This car, with only 18,411 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission and is presented in a vibrant yellow color with a black interior. The seller describes this 1966 Ford Mustang as a true head-turner. It features a 3-speed manual transmission, and despite its age, the car is in excellent condition with low mileage. The bright yellow paint with a black interior gives it a special style. This Mustang convertible is presented in very good condition with a clean title, without significant damages or issues. The car captivates attention with its beauty and style, making it a real showstopper. If you have any questions or if you are interested, the provided price is $28,000, offering an excellent opportunity to acquire a unique and impressive classic car. 3. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to purchase a 1979 Chevrolet El Camino for $10,500. This car, equipped with an automatic transmission, is presented in a stylish black color with a red interior. The seller describes this Chevrolet El Camino as a functional and stylish car that is ready to hit the road. The car is equipped with a hydraulic system with 2 pumps and 4 batteries, and there is also space for installing 6 batteries. Recent updates include a new generator and a new battery. It is also noted that the car has a clean title. This El Camino provides a unique chance to acquire a stylish and functional car with character. The black exterior and red interior create a contrasting and appealing look. The cost is $10,500, making it an attractive choice for those seeking a unique and road-ready El Camino. 4. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to acquire a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible for $29,000. This car, with a mileage of 130,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and is presented in an elegant white color with a blue interior. The seller describes this 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL as a particularly valuable specimen with a big block engine measuring 352 cubic inches. This beauty boasts matching numbers, confirming its authenticity. The relatively new interior ensures comfortable and stylish driving. This Galaxie 500 XL convertible, with a clean title and no significant damages or issues, offers reliable and stylish driving. The car comes with original components, except for the updated interior and carburetor. Don't miss the chance to own this car, which combines power and style and is a true representative of automotive history. 5. Currently, you have the opportunity to purchase a 1951 Kaiser Special Deluxe for $8,450. This car, with a mileage of 69,123 miles, is equipped with a manual transmission and is presented in a stylish blue color with a gray interior. The seller describes this 1951 Kaiser Special Deluxe as a car in excellent condition without rust or body filler. It features a 3.5-liter inline-6 engine and a 3-speed transmission with overdrive. The previous owner overhauled the engine, although unfortunately, corresponding receipts are not available. The car has new tires installed. Except for the paint, which was updated about 15 years ago, The car remains entirely original. The original color has been preserved. Windows and locks are manual. This car provides an opportunity to acquire a clean, vintage vehicle without rust, with a good history and a series of updates. Although the paint is not new, it still looks great, maintaining the original style. If you're looking for a clean vintage car, this Kaiser Special Deluxe could be an excellent choice for you. 6. Currently, you have the opportunity to acquire a 1971 Chevrolet Camaro base coupe for $25,000. This car is equipped with an automatic transmission and is presented in a stylish silver color with a black interior. The seller describes this 1971 Chevrolet Camaro as a special car with a powerful 383-stroker engine featuring a set of Edelbrock upgrades, including a carburetor and an RPM power package. The TH400 transmission ensures reliable and smooth gear shifts. Additional enhancements include COMP Cam's Ultra Pro Magnum XD roller rockers and a conversion to rear disc brakes. The car's interior was updated in the past, except for the dashboard, which has a few cracks. The owner has made some improvements, such as a new rubber weather stripping and door locks. All gauges function, and an aftermarket Bluetooth audio system with an amplifier and 4 speakers, 6x9, has been installed. Exterior lights work, and colored LEDs have been added for aesthetic effect. This Camaro features FOOSE wheels, and although the paint has a few defects, the seller notes that the overall condition of the car is good. This presents an excellent opportunity to acquire a stylish and enhanced Camaro that combines power and comfort. 7. Currently, you have the opportunity to purchase a 1985 Nissan 300ZX Coupe 2D for $3,800. This classic sports car, with 140,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in an elegant black color with a blue interior. The seller describes this Nissan 300ZX as a true classic car. With a 3.0-liter V6 engine and an automatic transmission, this car provides a pleasant driving experience. It features removable T-top roofs, giving it a stylish look and creating a unique driving experience. According to the seller, the engine runs excellently, the car drives smoothly, and it is easy to handle. The interior is in excellent condition, with no cracks on the dashboard, and the seats have been mostly covered. The car has new tires with excellent tread, a complete ignition system replacement, and other technical upgrades, such as replacing ignition wires, spark plugs, ignition coils, distributor, and air filter, highlight the reliability of this car. This Nissan 300ZX has been driven responsibly and has never been abused. It is reliable and has never let anyone down, always starting without issues. The seller claims that the car has been meticulously cared for, with the replacement and restoration of many essential components. Overall, if you are looking for a reliable and stylish classic sports car, this Nissan 300ZX can offer you comfort and aesthetics at a reasonable price. 8. Currently, you have the opportunity to purchase a 1965 Chevrolet Malibu for $33,000. This car, with 95,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in a vibrant red color with a brown interior. The seller describes this 1965 Chevrolet Malibu as a true supersport with factory specifications. The car is in show-ready condition, completed to 98%. Currently, only a suspension check and the installation of a new generator are required. Beyond these minor issues, the car is ready for operation. This Malibu is powered by a robust 396 engine sourced from a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. If the price is right, the seller is willing to include a complete set of Holley Sniper EFI/Hyperspark and several additional accessories in the deal. This 1965 Chevrolet Malibu is a genuine collector's car with a history and the potential for additional tuning enhancements. If you are looking for a stylish, powerful, and show-ready vehicle, this Chevrolet Malibu could be your unique acquisition. 9. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to become the owner of a 1968 Pontiac Bonneville Executive for $7,900. This car, with 94,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in an attractive blue color both on the exterior and interior. The seller describes this Pontiac Bonneville as an executive model, built on the same chassis as the regular Bonneville. The car has the original mileage of 94,000 miles and is powered by a robust 400 cubic inch engine with high compression and a 2-speed automatic TH400 transmission. The carburetor has recently been overhauled, and the car starts easily and runs superbly. All systems of the car are in working condition, and it drives remarkably well. The car has no rust on the bottom and fenders, although there is a slight blistering corrosion on the top of the hood. The seller expresses love for this car, but due to the need to downsize the collection, he has decided to sell it. This 1968 Pontiac Bonneville is not only a stylish collector's car, but also a reliable daily driver. It represents a wonderful example of its era and will be a great addition to your collection. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand. 10. Currently, you have the opportunity to become the proud owner of a 1958 Ford Thunderbird LX Coupe 2D for $28,500. This car, with 84,000 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in an exquisite red color with a black interior. The seller reports that the car has recently been repainted from white to a rich red resembling apple lacquer. This new finish undoubtedly gives the car a unique and attractive exterior. As of now, the car has a mileage of 84,000 miles, making it an excellent representative of those years. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, providing driving convenience. This Ford Thunderbird has no significant damage or issues and comes with a clean title. Therefore, if you are looking for a stylish and well-maintained vintage car that has just received a vibrant new coating, this 1958 Ford Thunderbird could be your wonderful acquisition.